Hello first years! Mrs Halford and I have one last challenge for you as we enter our final full week of eHampton.
As you've not been set homework for the past few weeks, we thought it might be a really good opportunity for you to hone your culinary skills.
Every year, first year Hamptonians take part in our hotly anticipated Cooking Week. And your Cooking Week starts on Monday.
We'd like you to use a family recipe or a recipe you've invented yourself, not one from a published cookbook.
And cook everybody at home one meal one evening next week.
It could be something small.
Or if you're feeling brave, why not have a go at making a 3-course meal with all the trimmings?
If your cooking is a culinary success, why not submit your recipe to our first year cookbook alongside a picture of you with your delicious culinary creation and the permission slip emailed home to your parents.
One little rule from us, make sure you get supervision while you're doing your cooking. We don't want any dining disasters as a result of this.
We're really looking forward to seeing all of your delicious meals.
So, what are you waiting for? Ready, steady, cook!